Okay folks, I've got the mortar base set. It's all in. I had a problem here with the first going off, so I could only do half, and then I had to throw the mortar away because humidity, it's hot outside, so it set up a lot faster than normal. So anyway, so I didn't get a chance to work the whole thing, so I had to throw half of it out, and then I did this half, and then I had to stop, and then I had to make up another batch and do the flat spot. So basically this is the shower pan from here, right on this side of the niche, back that way, and this is just a flat entrance way. So this will be the same as the rest of the floor. Now what happens here is that I have that set up for a 1/2 inch slope, and the 1/2 inch mark is about a quarter, no it's not quite a quarter, it's about, yeah, it's about a quarter, 3/16 to a quarter higher than this floor. And the reason being is because the tile is 3/8 on this side and a 1/4 inch on that side. So when I get done mortaring the shower pan, I put the tile tight to the floor. I hardly use any mortar under it, 1/8 or 1/4 trowel, and I pinch it right to the floor. That keeps it nice and true to what I have. And then when I'm done, then I use a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch square notch trowel and run the floor out, and that'll bring them two floors to be perfect straight across. So now there'll be a glass panel that will be here, and it'll stop somewhere here where I'm standing, and then the shower nozzle will be up here on that wall, and the valve is here, and there's a little, the water lean back 90 that comes out for the water. It's sitting on the corner, so we didn't want any, that's an exterior wall, we didn't want any plumbing on that wall. So now this is all done, I'm just going to check my grade again. I've got my flat level that you can't see anymore, but I have a good level setting on top of it, so I just want looking for a straight edge. And I can already tell just by looking at that, this is the plumbing level, just by looking at this level I have more than enough grade on that end. Where are we at? Let's see. So we are at 3/8 of an inch. Sorry, we are at 3/4 of an inch to the inside of the flange. Now that flange is sitting recessed into the floor a little bit, so it's just between, it's probably about 5/8 of an inch in total from the slope going into the pan. So on this side, which tells me this one here is going to be more than enough. Because we only need to be a 1/2 inch on this side. We are a little over 1/2 inch by millimeters. Okay, so that's good. So if I check that all the way around, it should be the same because I set my perimeter line nice and level all the way around. So it should be the same. I level my drain, and it looks to be the same. I'm not going to put my tape down there because I can tell by eye. It looks to be good. So everything there is more than good. The long corners are still good. Yep, everything's good. So all the water should drain to the center of the shower pan. Should have no issues out here. The water shouldn't get out there. So this is 5 feet in this area, and that's 2 feet. So, and it's 44 inches in width. So, and then the bathroom out here. So that's it. I set that up. Sorry I couldn't get a video of the whole thing because it was caused me a little bit of issues, and I had to put my mind on it, and it took me forever, and la la la. So anyway, you got the finished product now. When this sets and dries, it'll be good to go. What I did is I used a piece of Curdy board, and I cut strips, and that's what I used for my height all the way around. And I stuck it to the floor with PL Premium, let it set up a little bit, and then I used that as my grade from nothing. So I used the straight edge off that, and that's what gave me my nice curved pan all the way around to the drain. So that's how I do that. And then I came out here, and this was level, so I just ran it, scraped the line right across, level across on this 2-foot edge. So that's it for that. So now tomorrow, like I said, I'm going to run a membrane on this, and then I'll finish the Curdy flashing, band flashing. That's all the band flashing I had. It's not Curdy, it's Pervona or whatever from Kent's. That's all I had in the truck. So I have to go buy some more. So I just used it because I had extra mortar yesterday when I was doing the Dietrich map. So that's it for today. That's all I can do. And we'll be back tomorrow with the good stuff. Okay.